Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix the error code 519000101 in World of Warcraft. The first step is go to the start menu and type CMD, right click and select Run as Administrator. If you receive an user account control, click on yes and type the next command. The command is in description. ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter. Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache and type the next command net sh space ⴢ space reset and hit enter. Successfully reset the ⴢ catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Click on close, go to the start menu, select the power up button and click on restart and wait a moment. Login in your desktop. And you can verify your real status in the game. For example, go to google.com and search for realm status WoW and hit enter and enter in the official site of worldofwarcraft.com and select your region, Americas, locate United States, and it identifies your status or state of your game. And this is all. You can try to run your World of Warcraft game launcher or direct access. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.